He is everything I believe in.
Well, do you want to know what he wants to do for a living? What I'm doing right now? He's in the Pac-12. Comes off the bench, knows what his role is, and executes beautifully.
UCLA working on a 19-4 run over the top. Watson! Jaquez with a gorgeous pass. And a spectacular finish. UCLA. When the Bruins take on Gonzaga on Tuesday night, they'll be shooting for their 8th victory over a top 5 team going back to 2015-16.
Almost better than ours.
Almost.
Not quite.
How wonderful it is to be that close to shots like this. David Singleton will bury that triple.
The idea of where he wants to attack.
Juzang will pull up. Been a little chilly here in the first half. Going to get another opportunity from 3, and he'll hit that one.
You know what I love about shooters? They just want to shoot. Dick Vitale back.
Going to be an emotional night, I know, for Richard. Marquez down the lane, nice to that right hand to lay it up and in. He mentioned that Johnny Juzang's been on the bench now and, put on the sweats. And looks like he may very well take the rest of this night off. UCLA pouring it on nonetheless. Johnson. They move it beautifully, and Watson will stick it again. Just tears down a rebound. Campbell from the corner. Going to get another shot at it. As Johnson kept it alive. Singleton finishes. Swooping down the lane. Jaquez, shot clock to 9. Juzang gives it up for Watson. Watson, yes! He's got a pretty shot.
He does, and
but he gives it up. Turned over right back to Singleton.
Jaquez just shoots the gap and knocks that ball away.
Over the top. Oh, the stuff by Johnson. Miles Johnson with authority.